Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Gemini to hardware wallet, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Gemini account. Navigate to the withdraw section on the platform. Select withdraw cryptocurrency from the options available. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, open your hardware wallet to obtain your unique wallet address. Access the relevant application on your hardware wallet. Locate the option displaying your receiving address. Copy the address carefully without any errors. Return to your Gemini account and paste the wallet address into the designated field. Double-check the address to ensure it's accurate. Confirm the withdrawal details, including the amount and the wallet address. Proceed by clicking on the Withdraw button. Gemini may require you to complete a two-factor authentication process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, finalize the withdrawal process. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. Check your hardware wallet to confirm that the funds have arrived. Make sure to record the transaction details for future reference. That's how you seamlessly transfer from Gemini to your hardware wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.